Welcome back to Tutorials by David. Need to verify your Stripe account in 2026? In this quick guide, I'll show you the steps to get your account approved and ready to receive payments.
First, go to stripe.com and sign in to your account. After logging in, head over to your dashboard and look for the Setup or Verification section. Click on Complete Profile or any pending setup tasks. Here, Stripe will ask for your personal or business information like your legal name, business type, what you sell, and other details. Make sure everything matches your official records. If you have a website, add your URL, then enter your payout bank account information carefully. Double check names and account details to avoid issues. For businesses, Stripe may also request owner or company information. Once everything is filled out, review your details, then submit your application. Sometimes Stripe may ask for extra documents like a government ID, proof of address, or business papers. Upload clear, valid files if requested. After that, just monitor your email and Stripe dashboard for updates. Once approved, you're ready to start accepting payments and receiving payouts.